Hello everyone, I am Risa and I am an earth science expert. Today I will guide you to the fascinating world of exogenic processes and how they transform our planet's surface. These processes are crucial in shaping the landscapes we see today, and they involve various gradational agents that contribute to erosion.
Exogenic process refers to the external forces that acts upon the Earth's crust, leading to its transformation. In our experiment, we investigated the role of wind in desert erosion, focusing on how wind energy contributes to the shaping and degradation of desert landscapes. Deserts are known for their vulnerability to wind-driven erosion due to the scarcity of vegetation and moisture, which makes the soil more prone to being moved by the wind. We set up a series of controlled tests where we simulated wind conditions typical in desert environments, measuring the impact on various soil types and surface textures.
For this experiment, our objectives are 1. To explain how exogenic processes like glacial erosion, stream and groundwater erosion, and specifically for this experiment, desert and wind erosion and mass wasting work and their impact on the Earth's surface. Number 2, to effectively communicate scientific ideas using a combination of visual models, video presentations, and oral explanations to engage and educate the audience. And lastly, to analyze the significance of exogenic processes in real world contexts and their impact on the environment and various human activities.
Welcome everyone. In this segment, we will explore two important geological processes, mass wasting and desert and wind power. We will conduct experiments to observe how different soil types respond to gravity and wind forces. Let's get started. First, we will focus on mass wasting, which is downward movement of soil and rock due to its gravity. For this experiment, we have three soil examples. Sample A is sand, sample B is loam, and sample C is rocky soil. Each sample is placed in an aluminum tray with holes. Using a ruler, we will measure the thickness of each sample to ensure that they are all set to a flat height of 1 inch. This consistency is crucial for our observations. We will label them accordingly. Sample A for sand, sample B for loam, and sample C for rocky. Now that we have our samples prepared, let's elevate the tray at different angles.
Now, let us move on to the desert and wind power part. We will now elevate the entire tray to 4 different angles, 0 degrees, 40 degrees, 60 degrees, and 80 degrees, while we blow air over each sample for over 5 seconds using our wind source. Let's see how they react.
Starting with 0 degrees, watch closely as we apply wind for 5 seconds. Next, 40 degrees. Then 60 degrees. Now lastly, 80 degrees.
In conclusion, we have successfully demonstrated desert erosion by observing how different soil types respond to gravity and wind forces. We gain valuable insights into geological transformations. The implications of these exogenic processes are profound. They not only shape our natural landscapes but also influence human activities such as agriculture, urban development, and environmental conservation. Understanding these processes is essential for sustainable management of our resources. In conclusion, exogenic processes like the glacial erosion, stream and groundwater erosion, desert and wind erosion, which we did in this experimental video, and mass wasting are vital in shaping the Earth's surface. By studying these mechanisms, we gain insights into their impacts on both our environment and human activities. Thank you for your attention. We hope that you gained insights and additional knowledge in this video presentation. Till we meet next time.